Hi plant friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be converting my first ever houseplant into Leca. And that is going to be so different from what I'm using right now. I repotted it 2 years ago, I think in March. I used orchid bark for this. And as you can tell by this thingy, it has some fungus gnats on it. And I am planning to convert more of my houseplants into Leca. But for now, I wanted to start off with this. So let me show you guys what I need to repot this. The first thing you need is your plant. This is my victim, my orchid. It's a Phalaenopsis orchid that I saved. And then you're gonna need Leca. I got this Leca from IKEA. And surprisingly, I thought these balls would be bigger. It looks a lot bigger when I watched other people's videos, but they're quite small, which is interesting. You're gonna need water. I just got some tap water. I refilled this. Then you're gonna need some nutrients. This came in a set, so I have the floral, what is this? I don't even know, something. Floral grow, floral bloom, and I don't know which one this one is. And then you're gonna need some pH, pH down, pH up, and then it comes with like other things. Oh no! Okay, anyways. And then you're gonna need this Super Thrive. Well, you don't need this. I heard it's optional, but I got it anyways. I already cracked this, that's not good. You're gonna need some scissors and some tape. And then you're gonna need some shears so that you can cut any of the dead roots. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tackle this plant right here. I'm gonna remove this. We will no longer be needing these sticky traps. Let's see. Oh shoot. If you notice, I have some newspaper on the table. It's because I don't want to get the table too dirty. Okay. So this is what my plant looks like. When I first got this plant, it literally had no roots at all. It had like one little root, and now it has a lot of aerial roots, but not a lot of, what are they called, like soil roots? I don't know what kind of roots they are. Here are my shears. Make sure to sanitize it. And I'm just gonna cut away at any of the roots that are dead. Just kind of have a feel for it. See what's good. This one, as you can tell, it's kind of dead, so I'm gonna cut where it's dead. I think I'm gonna soak it in water because when you soak it, it will get more flexible. I just put the plant in water. I have it soaking for a little bit, and I also cleaned its pot. While I have the plant soaking in water, I am going to be working on the nutrients. Again, this is tap water. Why didn't I open anything first? Peel and lift. I can't do it. Hold on, I'm back after opening all of these. I got this one. This came with the pH kit, and I'm gonna use it, and it'll show you. It says it's up to 1 milliliter. How do you? Whatever. I'm just gonna squeeze and then put it in. I also heard that you're supposed to do it like slowly or like individually or something like that, or it'll lock. I don't know. At this point, I'm just doing what I think is right. 1 squirt each. I still need to do this one. Just gonna put a little bit. The nutrients are now in my water. And then you will go to your pH and pH down tester. You get this testing indicator that comes with the kit. And I think you're supposed to do, it says right here, just 3 to 5 drops. 1, 2, 3. 3 drops. So right now I have it in 0.4. So I think I need to bring it up to a 5.5 to 6 for a houseplant. And I think with the water you can just toss it. I'm just gonna pour it in here for now. Oops. So now I made it really blue. Now it's too low. Please, please, please work. And this also says don't touch your eye, so don't touch your eye when you're doing this. Now it is at a 4 again. I don't know what's happening with this water. Now it's at a 6. Actually, 6 is okay. I can't tell which green it is. I think I just need a little bit more down and then it will work. This whole water is going to be gone if I don't test it correctly. Oops. I think I got it. Yep. Okay, so now it is like in between the orange and the green. So this is finally complete. I am now ready for the next step. And I basically just emptied out the water. The only thing I have in here is a few pebbles just to kind of like level the pot a little higher. I'm gonna pour some Leca in. And with the Leca, I had this soaking in water for a day. I did it yesterday and then I rinsed it out outside. I have it like a third of the way down. And then I'm gonna get my plant. I'm now able to move the roots downward, and I'm gonna do that. Kind of push it down. My plant's kind of awkward, so just gonna place it where I feel. No! The balls! And then you just kind of tap it on the table so that it will fall down into place. Okay, I think this is good. So I have some tape and I have some scissors here. And I'm basically gonna make little tabs so that when I pull it out, it'll be easier for me. And I got a lot of the tips from a YouTuber. Her name is Minimalist Callie. I would recommend if you're gonna do this, do it before you plant your pot, or pot your plant. Okay, I got my 2 tabs. And they're kind of like sticking out, so see? Probably gonna have to redo this in the future, but for now, it's working. And then I'm gonna fill it up with water not halfway, like 1/3 down. You can't really see where the water goes, but when you lift it, it's like 1/3 of this pot. I'm back with one more plant. I'm gonna be doing this seedling of a monstera plant. I gave this to Jason a while ago, and look at its roots. The good thing about this is that it's planted in water, so it shouldn't be too hard to convert into Leca. But first, I'm going to assess the plant. I am going to cut off any of, dead roots that I see. I only see like 1. And I'm also going to cut off this. You don't need this anymore. I made just enough Leca for 2 plants, which is great. And this plant is done. I'm gonna put it over there so I can pour some water in. I am now at the spot where I'm gonna be leaving my plants. And I have my nutrient water, and I'm just gonna pour it over the plant like this. And there you go. So I filled it all the way. This is my monstera seedling. This is my ugly tabs, but this is my phalaenopsis orchid in here. They're gonna be staying in this little section. And that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you want to see any updates. I'm really excited to see the process of it, and I'm excited to switch over to Leca just because of the fungus gnat infestation that has been going on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.